welcome to another video. Today we are gonna go to Moab.
Yay, we're gonna go hike to the arch.
From Salt Lake, it is a 3.5-hour drive, and then we're just gonna look some stuff up on our way down there. Just make the best of it.
On Valentine's Day.
Yeah, on Valentine's Day. We just stopped at McDonald's to get some food really quick, but the rental car company didn't give us much washer fluid, so I filled this up at McDonald's in the bathroom because I didn't want to pay for any. So I think it's crazy that they wouldn't put stuff in it. I'm gonna go fill this up one more time just so we have extra. But there she is!
Hi!
With the food.
McDonald's!
Yeah, I gotcha.
Thank you.
Look at that.
Fudge browns.
Guys, who's the best wife here?
This is Valentine's Day,
Yeah.
so we got McDonald's to celebrate for our first Valentine's Day.
We are still 2 hours and 45 minutes away.
We are at the arch. It took about 1.5 miles to get here, but it's totally worth it because it's gorgeous and it's really cold. But hopefully we'll get a picture down there soon.
As you can see, there's quite a few people here. So if you're trying to get that Instagram photo, come early. We've been driving for a while, I gotta be honest. Didn't really get the last part of the Moab, just was trying to soak it all in. We are roughly a long time into the 3-hour drive back. Roads are really clear and nice and no snow, but when we get back up in the mountains by Salt Lake, it might be a different story. I was trying to fill this water cup up and I had a jug of water right here and I was just pouring it in and she kept slamming on the brakes and swerving aside. It was like going all over. Anything?
We have only eaten once today. It was McDonald's this morning at like, what was it, 8 a.m. or something like that. And so I'm starving. We still have like 2.5 hours till we get back to our destination. So we need to find somewhere to eat.